Child, one thing about me, I know I can spend some money. Hello guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because it's been a hot minute since I did one of these, but we're gonna be doing a luxury haul. I've been really getting to my luxury bag lately and I've been buying so many cute things and for a good price. So I'm here to show you what I picked up, how much I spent on it, and all that good stuff. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I think I have like 6 or 7 things here, no big deal, but we are going to start with my very first Fendi purchase. Let me just say, disclaimer, I did pay full price for this. I brought this in store. I've been looking for a belt, which you guys are going to see in a second. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, what are you doing? Because I definitely posted an unboxing on there like weeks ago, so you a little late. So make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram. This is my first Fendi purchase and I'm super excited about it. So let's open it up. So it's like a little unboxing. So this is the dust bag and here is the belt. This is the F4 Fendi belt, and the reason why I purchased this one specifically is because it is reversible, and girl math is I basically got another belt for free. So I've been needing a white belt real bad. It has the gold hardware, the plastic still on it because I haven't worn it yet, and on the other side is this beautiful like camel color, absolutely gorgeous. Now this belt retails for $430, but girl math, it's really $215, and I bought 2 of them. That's basically what it means to me. Now the width of this belt is 4 centimeters. It's 100% calf skin, so 100% real leather, and I just think it's absolutely gorgeous and I cannot wait to wear it. Now I got mine in a size 80, which is my usual size for my belts, and I do get extra holes punched into it so that way when I'm wearing high-waisted pants it still fits pretty good. And it's so cool to have my first Fendi purchase. I don't own a lot of belts. I have my Gucci one and my Louis Vuitton one, and that's it. So I feel like that was a good addition to the family. And let me go to my FarFetch app, sis the girl, because ooh, I've been shopping on there. Okay, next we're gonna go into some scarves. So I purchased 2 scarves from Jacquemus and I got them on FarFetch. Now the first one that I'm gonna show you guys is this gorgeous one. This is like the really popular viral one. I need to lean back so you guys can see. It has the big old Jacquemus across the top, and this is in a really dark brown color, almost like brown black. I thought it was jet black, but it's not. When I got it I was like, oh, this is not black, but it's still really cute. Now this is 100% virgin wool and I absolutely love it. Now it is sold out on FarFetch, but if I can find somewhere to link it I will. I got this for $175. I think this one was full price. I don't think this one was on sale, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me stand up for you guys. Super thick, warm, comfortable, and I think it looks really good with casual outfits or going out outfits. I just think this is just stunning. The second one that I purchased is this one here, also 100% wool. Ugh, let me take off the other one so you guys can get into this one. This one here is so pretty. It's a ombre. It goes from like a light cream to like a dark beige color. We have the Jacquemus right along the bottom here. This one original price is $204. I know for a fact I did not spend that much. I don't know why it's not telling me how much I spent on it, but it wasn't no $204. Let me tell you that. Baby, it don't tell me. It's also sold out on FarFetch, but I will find a link for it, whether it's on Fashion File or on Essence or something like that. I will find a link for you guys. But this is the gradient effect scarf, and I just think this is just really gorgeous with an all-white outfit. It would give, okay honey, it would give with the all-white outfit. I know we're approaching spring, but it's still a little cold and you still might need a scarf, or maybe you live somewhere that's a really cold climate and you need a scarf. But yeah, I got this for the wintertime, and this is definitely something that's going to stay in the closet. It's a staple. This is not a trendy piece. This is something that's always going to get used during those colder months. So I felt like it was 100% worth it. Next, I'm already using it, so I don't have it in the little dust bag, but I still do have the dust bag. I needed a bigger wallet. I have a Balenciaga card holder that I absolutely love, but I've had way too many cards for it, like way too many. So I needed a wallet. So I found this wallet on FarFetch as well. This is the Marni wallet. Original price is $576, but I got it for less than like $250, I think. Right now it says $288, but I'm pretty sure I got it cheaper. Oh no, I did get it for $288. Oh, but then I had an extra coupon that knocked off $57.60. So I got it for $244.22. That's a steal. And this is the Color Block leather wallet, so it's 100% leather. It gives Neapolitan, like the chocolate strawberry vanilla. It also gives makeup, if you think about it, contour, blush, highlight. No? Yes, maybe so. The reason why I love this is because it's still relatively like small. It fits in a lot of my purses, but it has a lot of storage. So if you're looking for a wallet that has a lot of storage, this might be something that you're interested in. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots for your cards, an area for cash, and you have a little zipper pocket for your coins. So this is really going to store a lot. So this is a really good wallet, and it comes in a bunch of really cute colors, but I just love this one because just the brown, the pink, you know, it's such my vibe. This is the exact pink of my Balenciaga card holder, so it just kind of goes. But love this, very great quality. If you're looking for a wallet, maybe you're gifting somebody, you know, something luxury, but you are trying to save a little coin, this is the way to go, because most wallets are going to run you almost $600. Like I said, it'll be linked down below. Let's get into the bags, honey. Ooh, let's get into the bags, because I done brought some bags. Okay, so let me just say this. I have been really turning into a Jacquemus girly. I noticed that I love a lot of their pieces. I especially love their bags because they come in a ton of colors and not just neutrals. I feel like the sizing of their bags is practical as long as it's not that really, really tiny one. And as you can see, 2 scarves. I'm about to show y'all a bag, and I also got some shoes from them. And I have a bunch of clothes now. Like, I am obsessed with them. But let's just get into the bag. So I have been needing a purple bag for a minute, okay? And when I seen this one, oh, I just knew I had to have it. Look how gorgeous. Isn't this going to be perfect for spring? This is the Le Chiquito Moyen bag. So it's a step up from them really tiny bags. It still is a decent size. It can hold my phone. It can hold my card holder, some lip gloss, keys, you know, all the essentials, but it's still small and petite. Absolutely love this color. Like, this lavender with the gold hardware is just eating down. I paid $363 for this bag. Retails for, I think, close to $1,000, so that is a pretty good deal, and I got it on SSENSE on sale. I think it was part of their private sale. I would double check, but I will definitely find this bag and link it down for you guys because it is just so gorgeous. Like, the top handle is just so petite and girly. This color is just gonna look so good during the springtime. I cannot wait to style this. This bag is a 10 out of 10 for me. The next bag purchase also got on a really good sale. Bottega. Now she got a Bottega bag, y'all. What other color to get from Bottega than Bottega green? Excuse me? I also needed a green bag. I'm in my color era as far as my bags are concerned because I have browns and I have blacks and white and all that good stuff. I'm in my color era and I'm trying to, you know, up the wardrobe with the color. And so when I saw this bag, I thought this was a great casual bag because it has multiple little pockets across the chain. Now, I know this bag retails for like $2,700 or $2,500 or something like that. I seen it on Saks, and it comes in another like teal blue kind of shade. Can't find the price that I spent on it, but I know I ain't get it for no 20-something hundred because I wouldn't have spent that much. But I just thought this was so cute. It also has gold hardware. This is a really cute casual bag. There's stuff in it. That's probably why it's looking on deformed, because I've actually already worn the bag more than once, okay? And I love it. It has like the sunglass holder. You can put, I don't know, just random little things in here. And then the main bag is such a good size. It has a magnetic closure, as you guys can see. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. Last but not least, we got some shoes, and these are from Jacquemus. Like I said, I have been a fan lately. I'm just gonna show you guys one so I can do a pretty unboxing on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. Look how stinking cute. I got these on sale as well. All of these were on sale. I think these retail for like $900 or something. I don't know. I know I spent like $300 on them. Look how gorgeous. I didn't own a black strappy shoe. Like, what girl doesn't own a black strappy shoe? That's crazy. These are so pretty. They have the Jacquemus logo right down the center in this gold hardware. It has like cushion in it already. Like, what do you know about that? It has cushion in it already. The heel is not too high. It's still a very comfortable height for me. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Now, I wear an 8.5 in women. I got these in a 40 and they fit perfectly. I'm so obsessed with them. We have the Jacquemus logo right here too. These are gonna be so gorgeous with a really nice like all black outfit. I mean, you can wear this with so many things because they're just black strappy shoes, and I can't wait to style them. I'm obsessed. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I've purchased recently. I done spent the coin, but I'm absolutely obsessed with everything that I purchased. I have no buyer's remorse as of right now. So that is good. You guys comment down below, what was your favorite item that you've seen and what items do you want me to style on my other platforms, because I'll be sure to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.